Hey peeps, we are back with another haul. Today we will be doing a Zara haul. I've bought items from Zara before, but I've never bought enough to actually do a haul. And Zara, for me, even though they are still kind of throwaway fashion, it's still like a higher price point, and I just be like, girl, I cannot get that. So this time, you know, your girl finally upped the job or whatever, so I decided to go ahead and spend some money, some coins on Zara this time. Also, this was inspired by Aaliyah's face. This is the shirt that I have on that she inspired me to get. So let's go ahead and get right into this haul. Oh yeah, pump the brakes. Pump the brakes. Did y'all like this video already? Did you share the video? Did you subscribe? Yes, make sure you hit that subscribe button. We're on the road to 5K and monetization, so make sure you continue to watch this video. Let's go ahead and get straight into the haul. So this is the first item. Everything will be linked down below for you guys. I'm not going to show you guys the back because a lot of my butt is out, but here is the front, and it's kind of like racerback, and I have a necklace on with it. But this color is so bomb. I think it was like pewter or something. Like, you guys will be able to see down below in the description the color, but this is a nice like purple, like lilac-y color. I thought this was a nice basic because I can wear it with a lot of things and also layer it and things like that, but also not so plain. I'm gonna come a little closer so you guys can see the back, like just the top part. But this is a racer back, and this is just what it looks like full body. So I'm gonna go ahead and come a little closer. Okay, so I'm a little closer up for you guys, and one thing I wanted to point out from this is that it has this extra layer inside, I guess just to help you not like see your nipples or anything, even though you can still see your nipples if they're like hard, but they do have this extra layer, and that just helps to smooth you out and make sure you can't see everything. And then let me go ahead and show you guys the racer back part, and don't mind the bottom of my wig and my real hair showing. But this is the back, so you can see it comes in and does that curve like a racer back. And I am not wearing a bra with it right now, and I don't have a racer back bra, but if you do, you can wear one with this and that will be perfect, or like a regular bra with clear straps, which I don't have either. But isn't this color so bomb? Like, tell me you don't love it, because I love it. Period. I absolutely love this color. I cannot wait to wear it and pair it with other things. And I did get this in another color, which is actually the color that Aaliyah's face actually bought, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that on just so you guys can see the difference in the color. So here is the other one. This color is like a nude color. This really can go with anything. So with the fall, even though it is, you know, sleeveless, you can still pair it with a lot of things. Put a jacket over it, put a hoodie, maybe not a hoodie just because you don't want to cover this, but like a hoodie with like a zipper on it or something like that, a jacket, sweater, you know. You could do that to make it more efficient for, you know, the weather and all of that, but it is a good item to have in your collection to wear with anything. And one thing I want to mention about these two one pieces is that they are super stretchy. So especially if you're in between sizes, like you could wear a medium, you could wear a small, like you a medium, then you can probably go ahead and get the small because it is so stretchy, but it still doesn't have like a whole bunch of leftover material or anything like that. Like, as you guys could see when I was in the purple one, when I backed up, there was not a whole bunch of loose material by the clasp. It was right where I needed it to be, you know, very close to my skin and skin tight pretty much, but still so much stretch, as you can see. So this is a lovely basics piece and something you can wear with everything. I love this color. It's the same as the other one, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next item. So I am back with the next piece. Let me go ahead and move my hair so you guys can see. This is pretty much like a racerback type of style as well, but this is more of a fall color. So it's still like a basic as far as it being like a plain shirt, but it is a fall color, and I'm excited to have something that is more, you know, with the times. You know, people love fall, so, you know, gotta have something to put on Instagram to give those fall vibes. And let me show y'all the back. It's really nothing to it. And one thing that I want to let you guys know about this shirt, if you really like it and want to get it, just know that this is small as far as the hole to get your head in. So if you know that your head is a little bit bigger than your body, is like not proportionate, then you either don't want to get this or you want to go ahead and size up just to be able to get your head in, because I barely could get my head in, and this is just a size small, y'all. So I just don't even understand. Like, I almost messed up my whole makeup. Like, I was literally in there. I wish y'all could have seen me trying to put this on. I had to do like this and then pull it down just so the makeup would not get on the shirt, but I still think that some of the makeup got on the shirt. So that's just one thing, is if you're someone that like wears makeup, then this might not be the shirt for you. If you're someone who has like hairstyles, braids, big hair, this shirt may not be for you. I don't really understand what that's about, but y'all, it was definitely a struggle to get into this shirt. But other than that, this is just a nice piece to like put on with anything. And then y'all can see like what it looks like with my necklace. You know, I have my jewelry on. I mean, I have the whole vibe, the hair, the makeup, the jewelry, the nails. So y'all see what it's looking like? Okay, so I am back with some shoulder pads. Y'all know shoulder pads are so on trend right now. You know, this is like a throwback to like the 90s, 80s, you feel me? You know, my mama and daddy's time. Like, yeah, like back then. So we are doing it now in 2020. You know, everything always comes back around, and I hate to like do stuff that's on trend because typically it's so fleeting that it's just like, why am I about to buy all this stuff for a fleeting trend? You know, like, I feel like this kind of waste of money. But I saw this and I was like, with it being like more of a dressy material, like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but this is like a dressy top. I was like, with it being more dressy and not a regular shirt, I'm like, that's kind of different. So let me see what it's about. And I'm so happy that I got this shirt because I love the shoulder pads. They're actually kind of comfortable and kind of give some warmth to the shoulders, and I'm always cold, so I need warmth all around. I'm here for it. So I actually like that. And then here is the hole, so you can kind of see my bra. And you really don't have to wear a bra if you are like on the smaller boob side, just because it's loose, so you won't really notice that you're not wearing a bra if, you know, there's not much to like see in the first place. Like, I am a 32 double D, real heavy, and I can still get away with not wearing a bra. I just put a bra on because I was wearing it with the last shirt, so I just didn't want to, you know, take it on and off. And also, I love this detail right here. So as you can see, it's like, I don't know what you would even call this. It's not ruching, but the material is kind of like coming together and like causing like more of a ruching on the neckline, and then just kind of filtering out right here. So I really like that little added detail. And then I'm going to show you guys the back. This is how it clasps together. So there's like a little hole, so if you have shorter hair or you're wearing your hair in a ponytail or a high bun, you'll be able to see that added detail a little bit better. So I'm just tucking this in for you guys so you can see like how it looks tucked in and kind of paired with some pants. And I was thinking like more of a dressy thing where you might wear like a leather skirt or a leather pair of pants. That's what I was thinking, but honestly, you can make it casual with like these ripped pants that I have, and I'm gonna back up a little bit more in a second so you guys can see that. But I think that this like looks so put together, like casual, and then you put this on and it makes you look more put together, even though you're still wearing, like, I'm wearing distressed jeans, but you can just wear regular jeans to look even more put together. But I just love the way that this looks. Oh my gosh. Thumbs up if you are feeling this too, because I just love it. I'm so happy that I did not go against the grain per usual, and I just, you know, went with the flow and got me at least one of these shirts. But actually I got two of these shirts, and you will see the next shirt, and that's gonna be the last thing from this haul. But let me go ahead and back up so you guys can see this whole full shindig that I got going on. So here is the full body with the jeans. Like, doesn't this look so put together. And then I do have my necklace on still. I wouldn't wear this necklace with it just because of the way that those lines are coming down. You kind of want a more dainty necklace that just gonna sit in those folds versus going against the folds and just like sitting on top, or at least that's just, you know, what I would do. And we got the whole look together. Absolutely love this. Let's go ahead and go on to the next item, which will be our last item. So here is our second shoulder pad shirt, and I really like this one because it's fun and it's bright, and it's just also, I think, I don't know, would you call it ironic? I think it's just so funny that Bugs Bunny is wearing like a shoulder pads like puffer jacket with like the gold chain, and then so it's his little girlfriend, so it's like, you know, shoulder pad on shoulder pad. Come on, tell me you think it's funny too. And that just made me want to get it even more when I saw it, other than the fact that it's Bugs Bunny. I mean, who doesn't love Bugs Bunny? Like, what's up, Doc? Period. Like, come on. So I just had to get this shirt. As you can see, the structure with the shoulder pads, and then on the back it actually says, this says out of the borough, which I really don't even know what that means, but I feel like on some gangster stuff, like look at them, like all like bossed up, out of the borough, like out of the streets, out of the mud, out of the period. Like, I think that is so funny with them looking like little gangsters, and it's talking about out of the borough. Like, that's some real street stuff right there. So, you know, not that Zara is street, especially like the fact that they show like actual like model-less models on their website and not real bodies. Like, come on, Zara, nobody needs the models. Like, just slap these on some people with real clothes, you know, sponsor a YouTuber or two. You already know, like, we're already putting your stuff on for free. Can you at least put us in an ad? Like, seriously. But this is this shirt, and it's just so fun. Let me go ahead and tuck this in for you guys. So this is what it looks like, you know, paired with these jeans. Like, super put together and just fun and colorful, and you could like throw on a colorful scarf, a colorful jacket, or I mean coat, and that can also be like a fall look because, you know, you put the coat on. But yeah, peeps, that is everything for this haul. I hope you enjoyed my first Zara haul. There will be more to come, especially if you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and keep watching my other videos. We're on the road to monetization, so make sure you help your girl out, which is helping you to get more videos from me. So I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.